Today I am reviewing Lenovo Legion T5 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful gaming desktop that balances performance, reliability, and future-ready features, the Lenovo Legion T5 38GB10 might be exactly what you need. This machine is built to deliver top-tier gaming and productivity experiences, all packed into a sleek tower design that doesn't just perform well, but also looks great in any setup. At the heart of the Legion T5 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor, running at an impressive 4.5 GHz. This CPU is built on AMD's latest architecture and is designed for gamers and creators who need raw speed and efficiency. Whether you're running modern AAA games, streaming, or handling heavy multitasking like video editing or 3D modeling, the Ryzen 7 keeps everything smooth and responsive without lagging behind. Pairing that powerful CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 dedicated graphics card. With 12 GB of GDDR6 video memory, this GPU ensures you get sharp visuals, ray tracing support, and buttery smooth frame rates in demanding games. Whether you're exploring detailed open worlds, competing in fast-paced esports titles, or working on graphics-intensive creative projects, the RTX 5070 delivers an optimal visual experience with plenty of power for future releases as well. To back up this performance, the Legion T5 comes with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's more than enough to run multiple heavy applications at once, stream while gaming, or handle professional workloads such as 4K video editing and complex design software. The use of DDR5 also means you get faster speeds and improved efficiency compared to older memory standards, which helps the system stay responsive no matter what you throw at it. Storage is also an area where Lenovo doesn't hold back. The 1TB SSD offers plenty of space for games, media, and files, while also giving you the speed benefits of solid-state storage. Games load faster, applications launch in seconds, and overall system performance feels snappy compared to traditional hard drives. With this much fast storage, you won't be running out of room anytime soon, and even if you do, the tower design allows for future upgrades. The Legion T5 is more than just raw specs, though. It's designed with convenience and reliability in mind. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the system provides a stable platform for both gaming and productivity tasks. It's optimized for modern applications, supports the latest DirectX features for gaming, and offers built-in tools for professionals who need to manage workflows or secure their data. Connectivity is another strong point. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, you can count on fast wireless networking and reliable connections for peripherals, headsets, or controllers. The tower form factor also ensures easy access to ports and expansion options, giving you the flexibility to upgrade or add components later. Of course, aesthetics matter for a gaming machine, and Lenovo has paid attention to that as well. The Legion T5 comes in Eclipse Black, with a refined chassis that feels modern and durable. The subtle lighting and clean design strike a good balance between a professional look and a gaming aesthetic, making it versatile enough for both home and office setups. Another highlight is its 3-year manufacturer warranty, which provides peace of mind for such a powerful investment. Knowing that Lenovo backs this desktop with long-term support adds extra value to the overall package. In daily use, what stands out most about the Legion T5 is its balance. It's powerful enough to handle today's most demanding games at high settings, yet it's also efficient and versatile enough to support creative professionals. The combination of Ryzen 7, RTX 5070, 32 GB of RAM, and a fast SSD makes it a system that's built for longevity. Overall, the Lenovo Legion T5 38GB10 is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a gaming desktop that doesn't compromise. It's built for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who want high performance, future-proof features, and a design that's both functional and stylish. If you're upgrading from an older system or investing in your first high-end desktop, this machine delivers on all fronts.